Yo, what's up folks, it's Corex here. In this video I'll be showing you how to arbitrage trade to your advantage, and I'll show you some really cool tools to help you along. So, if you don't know what arbitrage trading is, it's a trading strategy where you profit from price differences for the same item across different marketplaces. So let's say this is you. So let's say you have some money on CSFloat and you buy this pair of gloves for $200. Then you go and sell it on the Steam market where you sell it for $400. Now you'll be making a profit of $140 after Steam taxes. So now let's say you find a different item on Steam. You buy this knife and then you sell it on CSFloat and you only take a 5% loss. Now you'll be making a lot of money and then you just repeat the cycle basically. And this is arbitrage trading. You buy something cheap and sell it more expensive on a different marketplace, and that's it basically. So firstly you'll need to go to this site, CSRY, which is made by this guy. And he's a really cool guy and you should definitely use his site. This isn't sponsored or anything, but I don't think he gets enough flowers for what he's done. It's an amazing site. I will be making a video in the future on it. So you need to go under the deals tab. Here you can find different marketplaces. I'm mainly using CSFloat. I made a whole video on how to use that. It's one of the best marketplaces in my opinion. They only have a 2% fee, which is not that high. So yeah, I'll leave that link down in the description, which is not sponsored either, but I think it's an amazing site and I think everyone should know how to use it. So go check that out. So yeah, basically you can find different items here. You can press this euro to Steam and Steam to euro. So this one is CSFloat prices to Steam prices and how much percentage they are off. So you can find something in your price range. It isn't really sorted that well, but you can find something definitely. I would recommend finding something that's fairly liquid and something that has some volume, so it's easy to sell basically. And of course something in your price range. So let's go with this shadow case for example. So you just open both tabs. This is the CSFloat one. It's €1.04 and I made a Google sheet. This I'll also put in my Discord and pinning it in my announcement tab so you can easily find it. You can get roles in my Discord where you get notification for my investments. So yeah, you should definitely go check it out. It's a really cool place and I'm happy to help anyone as well. Alright, so back to this. So this is a buy from Steam and this is buy from CSFloat. So it's €1.04. And then we have the Steam tab open as well, where it sells for €1.69. And these cases are very liquid. They sell a lot and they tend to go up in price. So it sells for at around €1.69 at the moment. So we enter that as well. And here you can see you'll be making €1.44 after the fees, which at Steam is pretty high. And yeah, you can go pretty high volume on these things. I will say that you need to remember there's a 7-day trade hold on everything. So it's not as easy as it has been, but it's still possible if you find the right items and don't get too greedy and find something liquid. You can definitely do it. So yeah, this is a profit of 38%. And yeah, of course you don't have to buy €1 worth of it. You can buy €10, €100, €1,000 if you want. But yeah, remember to try to keep it somewhat liquid like cases. So now we have €1.44 on Steam. We can go back to the site here and we can put this on Steam to euro. And then we could try and find something that is a bit better. So here you'll generally lose like 5 to 15% if you find the good items. So €1.44. So this is €1.47. So let's go take a look at this. So the main thing is probably to look on CSFloat, as that's where you'll be selling it. And yeah, it has a lot of sales, liquidity, and the price is somewhat stable. So I'd definitely say this could be a good one. So let's enter the things in the document as well. So it's 142 and the CSFloat price is 132. Yeah, we'll just put 132. You could also aim to get it higher, but yeah. So the €1.04 you made on CSFloat, you made it into €1.29 now. And this is, of course, a really low number. You could go in bulk and find different items. But basically you've made like 20% just from waiting a week. And this is basically what arbitrage trading is. Now this could be really strong for someone who has a lot of time and and doesn't mind sniping items and even trying to get it for cheaper, this could definitely be the meta. I would definitely recommend anyone new into the trading scene who wants to grow their item doing this. Of course it has its risks, as everything does with the 7-day trade hold, but I do think it's a cheat code. So yeah, that was basically everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know if you'll be trying this, and join the Discord, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.